Hello, welcome to chair yoga. We are going to get started sitting down in a chair, stretching out our back and stomach muscles. So you're going to arch your back, and then you're going to come forward, stretch out their shoulders, that neck, rounding your back out. Now do a nice arch. This is cat-cow pose. Now once again, round the back, the shoulders. This will look different for everyone. As you can see, my back doesn't round all the way. I have had back surgery, so just compare yourself to yourself and where you are in your health goals. Arch the back again. You can stretch out the neck here. Kind of move around, shake it out a little. Feel free to kind of move in a way that is off script. It's totally okay to do that. Now we're going to lift our arms up straight in front of us, up kind of right around our ears, and we're going to be leaning forward. This is chair pose. This is engaging your core and your shoulder muscles. So you should feel this in your core. You should be squeezing your stomach muscles to kind of hold you in place as you lean forward here. Squeeze your shoulder muscles as well. Remember to breathe. Inhale in through your nose and exhale. Now we're going to go into forward fold and stretch down to the ground. If you can, reach your hands back as far as you can. You can always take any modification, and you should feel a stretch in your body, but if it's extremely painful, you'd want to lessen up the stretch and kind of come out of the stretch to where it's not painful. The wider your knees are, the farther down you're going to be able to stretch down to the ground. Slowly come up, and we are going to come into Warrior One, sitting in the chair. Inhale in, relax your shoulders down away from your ears and bring your arms up, straight up, all the way up to the sky. I got a little cut off here, but my hands are just straight up to the sky. Your spine is tall. You're sitting up really tall in that chair. Take a few deep breaths here. Now we're going to stretch it over to the right side. Interlace your hands and stretch over to that right side. So you want to drop your head down to your right shoulder. Your left arm is coming over your body. Now stretch up to the sky and bring it down to the left. Drop your left head to your left shoulder. Your right arm is arching over your body overhead. Inhale in, come all the way up. Drop the hands and shake it out. Now we're going to come into supine twist. So take your left hand and grab onto the chair. You can drape it over the chair if you can, like you see me doing. Your right arm is going to come to the outside of your left knee. So you just have a gentle twist. This is stretching out your low back, your entire back, even your shoulders. Inhale in and exhale. Take another deep breath in through your nose. And exhale and release the stretch. Face forward, and now we're going to twist to the other side. Your left arm is reaching to that outside right knee. Your right arm is over the side of the chair. However you can grab onto the chair will work. And release that stretch. Do a little neck roll, and on your inhale, bring your arms up to the sky. And exhale, release it down to the ground into a forward fold. Inhale in and exhale. Take another deep breath. Exhale and slowly come up to a seated position. Now we're going to go into pigeon. Bring your right leg up, cross it over your left leg. This is stretching out your hips. And you will feel it deeper if you bend down towards your legs. You can raise your left foot up for a little bit of a balance, to practice your balance here. Or you can keep it on the ground, whatever feels the best to you. Now release that stretch. Bring your left leg up, cross it over and place it on your right leg. You can come up onto your toe for a little balance challenge. Hinging forward at the hips like that, you're going to feel the stretch more in your hips. Release that stretch. Now we're going to work our core a little bit. This is boat pose, so you can scoot forward in your chair and lean back against your chair, or for an added challenge, you can bring your legs up and just not lean back against the chair. Whatever you need. Take what you need. Your legs do not have to be high up like mine are in the video. Inhale in, bring your hands up to the sky and down to heart center. Stretch out your shoulders, do a shoulder roll, and that is it. That's chair yoga.